Greetings, guys. Welcome to Entertainment. I'm Michelle Pantoliano. You know something? I'm thinking inside the box. Today is all about television. Remember that debacle about how Survivor's Richard Hatch pleaded guilty to tax fraud for not declaring his $1 million? Well, it turns out he was just kidding about the whole guilty thing, which is why his attorney has now submitted the far less guilty plea of, not guilty. And so the case will be going before a grand jury. Keep in mind, if Hatch loses on this gamble, he could face up to 10 years in the slammer. Now that right there would make for some good reality television. Les Moonves is chiming in on the Leno versus Letterman ratings war. Despite what the Nielsen numbers say, the CBS chief says his boy Dave is actually pulling in more viewers than The Tonight Show. That's because the multi-person room theory. Moonves says CBS doesn't get credit when 200 people watch at a sports bar or when dozens are packed into a fraternity house. So, does this mean the only people who tune into Leno are antisocial losers? Well, that would explain a few things. No, I'm kidding. No letters, please. And Gina Davis is making a run for president. ABC is developing a new series in which the Oscar-winning actress will play the U.S. Commander-in-Chief. And